Okay, so my parents got back from the Wisconsin Dells, and they brought back these really great donuts. That I think my rats like more than anyone in my family does. They're very like, give me more. Yeah. So I just felt like I needed to record this because they're being really cute right now. You really want it, don't you? Give him. Because these are really sugary too. I don't want to give them too much, and that's probably why they're completely nuts right now. So there we have that. You guys, look at them. You don't go in that cage. They're gonna eat you alive. Ricky's like, please. Okay. GB, I was gonna give you more. It's really dark up here, sorry. I'm gonna bite off my fingers, got that. Frankie's like, I want some more of that. Yes, you do, Frankie. He's like, please. Gabriel. You can lick my fingers, but look how chubby he is. You can't really tell, but like, he has got a belly on him. Because he really likes his snacks. Look at you, he crawled all the way in that door. My big boys get more than my little boys do. Okay. So none of you guys are gonna get a sugar. You already have a sugar rush. What am I saying? Okay, that's the rest for you boys. Because I've given like half my donut to you boys. That's plenty. That's plenty. Okay, nice nibble. You're never gonna get those again. GB can have more because he's kind of scrawny. He's like licking off the thing. Look at you, you're crawling on my arm. You're crawling on my arm. Gabe's naturally pretty wild, if you can't tell, but with sugar and new food, he's completely insane. He's like licking my hands. Sorry. Yeah, it's William. And that's Frankie. And that's Gabriel. He's my crazy, crazy, crazy boy. Especially when you give him sugar. And that's Stevie. He's gonna hit the button. He's licking my iPod. I want to give him more, but I can't. Look at him, he's crazy. But he's got a belly on him. I don't want to get him all fat. I guess that's all. Goodbye, boys. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Nutty.